Hips and ridges are vulnerable areas of any roof. IKO's line of capping shingles helps ensure your roof performs its best and also creates a truly stunning roof line. IKO's PROFORMAX integrated roofing accessories include different types and different widths that fit different ridge vent sizes. We recommend installing them as part of this multi-layered roof system. IKO Standard Capping Shingles are factory perforated, allowing for easy separation at the job site, saving you the hassle and cost and waste of hand-cutting 3-tab shingles. Our line of hip and ridge shingles are made on flexible fiberglass mat with an SBS-modified adhesive on the granular surface for maximum wind resistance. If you're installing them in cold weather, store them in a heated area beforehand so they'll be easier to bend. No matter which type you and the homeowner choose, apply shingles up to a hip or ridge from both sides of the roof before you finish the intersection. You can apply capping shingles in a traditional single-dimensional thickness and appearance. Although it's not required, we recommend installing a double thickness to create a spectacular 3-dimensional effect. To do this, just stack 2 pieces on top of one another and make sure the lower piece extends about 3/4 of an inch farther than the top one. Separate the capping shingles into pieces using the perforation marks as a guide. Bend each piece over the hip or ridge and overlap successive pieces to yield a 5/8 inch exposure. Nail on each side of the capping piece, 6¼ inches up from the lower shingle edge and 1 inch from each side. Nails should be placed below the factory-applied sealant buttons. Select IKO Standard Capping products have the top of each side of each piece factory trimmed on a 1-inch taper for a neater roofline appearance. IKO Ultra HP and IKO Ultra HP IR hip and ridge capping shingles are specially constructed and designed to provide a high-quality, high-profile alternative to using cut-up shingles to protect these important areas. If installing an impact-resistant shingle such as IKO Nordic, you should use coordinating Ultra HP IR ridge cap shingles. Ultra HP and Ultra HP IR are both 10-inch wide. Apply the capping shingles with an 8¼ inch exposure even with notch. Conform the shingle to the roof deck before you nail it. For steeper roofs, you may have to push down slightly at the sides of the shingle. Use 2 nails, one on each side of the shingle located 3/4 inches back from the shingle notch. In high wind areas, seal down each IKO Ultra HP shingle with 2 1-inch spots of asphalt plastic cement. For added roof definition, you can install IKO Ultra HP at gable and rake edges too. For all capping products, apply hip pieces starting at the lower end of the hip and work your way up toward the ridge. On hip roofs, apply ridge pieces starting at each end and meet in the middle. On gable roofs, apply ridge pieces starting at the end opposite to the prevailing wind direction and continue to the other end. Set the final shingle in asphalt plastic cement and cover the exposed nail heads of the final shingle with this cement too.